there you can see he's got his fish, Hope. Yep, he's got his fish. Excellent. But certainly doing that dive there, giving you guys a nice little shower. And of course for these birds, they really need to get rid of the extra weight. The water they need to get rid of. So that's really important. It does the shape.
Water doesn't harm them.
He's about to do it shortly. Keeping an eye on those parrots at the moment. So watch out guys, in a nice little shower, second shower. And once it shakes off, there you go. Getting rid of the extra water, getting rid of the extra weight. Now if you had missed that fish, you could have repeated that dive. Mid-air, they'll shake off, they can repeat their dives. And that's one of the reasons they'd actually do this. Shake and get rid of the extra water, you can repeat the dive, and it just lightens the body load as well. Obviously they've got nice thick plumage so they don't get too saturated, and it will be a lot of energy wasting if you had to fly back to land and dry himself off as well. Now you can probably see those nice big long talons from there. They've also got what's known as tendons in their feet. Raptors have this and it works like a ratchet locks on. It's the same sort of mechanism. So basically the tendons we've got in our bodies as well, but this is the case for these birds that are really very effective and help to lock on and secure their prey. Now you can see the bird up nice and close. His body weight is about 1 kilo in body weight on average. That's what they sort of weigh. But these birds can carry prey that can weigh as much as their own body weight. So if he's